A quick review of this Draper socket and bit set, part number 04713. It comes in this quite sturdy cardboard box, which I would keep it in all of the time. The set itself is in very substantial, it's quite weighty as well, rubberized box, top and bottom, so it won't scratch. Nice little metal clip. Open the set up. We've got good bit sets. We've got Torx to T30, Phillips, Posi, hex up to 6mm, and flat blade screwdriver bits up to 7mm. We've got sockets, nicely finished, up to 12mm. They start off at 4mm. Nicely finished, chrome. We've got the bit holder for one. We got two. Nice bit holder. You've got your extensions, two extensions, universal. Draper Expert short nut driver. Nice tool. Feels good in your hand. We've got Draper Expert ratchet. This ratchet is different to the normal Draper Expert comfort grips you get. Different construction, I guess made by somebody else. Back drag is much better. That back drag is very, very light. 72 teeth. Very, very nice little set. Ratchet feels nice in your hand, flat topped. Got a hole should you want to hang it up. I think it's an excellent addition to anybody's toolbox. Professional or DIY, this set seems to me very good. I bought it off eBay, paid £18.50 or thereabouts, including post and packing. You've got your extension. Looks like a 4-inch or 100mm to the modern world. Short one as well. But all in all, great set. Very pleased with that. I bought this one for a present for a friend. So when she gets it, I hope she likes it. But also, I like this as well. When the bits come out to meet you, you haven't got to remove a holder out, and they just close nicely when you shut your set. Slide the clip over. As I said, chunky, rubberized, nice box. Protect the whole set. Very, very nice. An absolute bargain. Quality bit of kit. Thanks for watching.